Wagwan. Rastafari, they believe clean living, ital food and those things, natural herbal remedies. They speak positive, like them will say, full joy yourself instead of enjoy. And then we say, happy earth strong, yeah, instead of saying happy birthday, things like that. They put like a positive and uplifting spin on words. Yeah, Rasta is about positivity and thing. Well, like me, what me call myself? I know. Me I want them independent Rasta. I know, I don't know if I call myself. I'm not really Rastafarian, but I practice some of the things that Rastafarian do, like the natural eating, natural living, not to the T, because me eat meat to some time and them thing there. I me say some things or them kind of things. Me no really strict like that. So I'm not a Rastafarian, right? In the real sense of it. But me respect them culture, them movement, them religion. I respect it. I'm gonna tell you, so me have family where a Rastafari. So, I grew up among them and other Rastafarians and, me respect how them people them move, how they live, how the real Rastaman them. Yeah, respect. My thing is just to inform people. A lot of people don't really understand Rastafari, and the movement and whatever. So me I do my little bit for enlighten people. Them believe in them clean liberty, Emperor Haile Selassie. Also believe in the Pan-African message that Marcus Garvey carried. So Rasta is about love, upliftment, good living, clean living. And Rastafarian, they also, I would think most of them use herb, but they use it as, for religious purpose. Most of them use for religious purposes as a sacrament. They not just use it for recreation. Yeah, that's a little more about Rastafarian in Jamaica, the original place, the birthplace of Rastafari, Jamaica. Big up on yourself. One love. Irie.